Men's singles final. Then at 9-all in the 7th. Nice close racket angle and good timing. Take the men's crown as well as the women's. Although Chodang's forehand against backspin is better than Jorgic's in that area of the game. Oh, a nice improvised lollipop block there. Jorgic is clawing his way. And as I said, Chodang winning in August 4-1. They know that you've beaten them before. Yeah, Darko. Backhand serve from the backhand side this time. But with the backhand. And if he does that serve, he's already in position to do that. Ooh. In for the lines, so you do earn your own fortune to win it. The touch, a bit prematurely there, the Slovenian. Well, that was better. Intricate touch play, and it just becomes an yeah. Wow, lovely, crisp counter there. He won't be showing too much until the match is over. Half long. What a counter that is. They've taken his forehand a little bit too late. Ready to come over the top of the ball to counteract the spin. Whoa. Wow. Puts it out of its misery, that ball there. Timeout called. Chodang seeing. Lovely scooping in here. None of his teammates can compete at his level. Oh, so much topspin, it just made its way over. And Jorgic does it. He steals the second game. Just a clarification there as to why Jorgic apologised. On the line into the backhand of his right-handed opponent. A lot of directions mentioned. Liu Goliang to save the Penhold whip from extinction. Each other are in that department. They're trying to both ball attacks. How has he hit that from that low to the table? A perfect loop from Jorgic with the backhand. It's one of a kind, that, isn't it? Darko, Jorgic. Chodang. Five-eight. One between him and Liam. Perhaps he's a bit mentally tired. Just to clarify, by Liam, I mean Liam. Beautiful flick from Cho. Serve sets the backhand up perfect. Timeout has already been used by Chodang, and it didn't pay off for him. Oh, he believes, doesn't he, Jorgic? 1 game point left. He saved another. But now Jorgic is doing that into him. Of Darko Jorgic. Game point now. Oh, it's close. 11-all. Just spreading the attacks around. As it is the backhand, it seems. And he's done it. He's 3-0 up, and now he's only one away. Get 4-0'd. Seems strange seeing the score like this. That's a good push. What a counter that is, dismissive. Jorgic likes to play a little bit further from the table. To the German. Chodang's right now is the best champion. Well, Darko is human, ladies and gentlemen. He finally gets serving 3-1 up in games. Oh, a stunning block. To guide it out of reach. Chodang. Of course, we'll put that away. Back to the trademark serve. What a block. He just keeps the bat there. He knew exactly where it was going. That was brilliant from Chodang. Through with enough clarity. A few demons creeping into Jorgic's mind. It's fly. Much of a consistent basis. Great feeling. Show some more about what you've got. Slow spin. Time to recover away from the table. Five-game point. Well, he's done it. Game goes to Chodang. And all of a sudden, the Euro goes final. Wow, that's too good. Wow. Top edge off the racket. Hunting for this third ball for on Jorgic. Should I say backhand? Chodang, 5-2. Darko Jorgic with the serve. Loose wrist. Hand switch. What a point that is. Oh, I can't actually recall seeing Jorgic hit a hand switch like that. Timo Boll would have been happy with that one. It was actually decent quality. And then he withstands. He did well. Chodang, to not get thrown off by that. Oh. Oh, wow. And he paid the ultimate price. 8-6. In a row in both men and women's. Excellent flick. In everything. He's done it. And back onto the table he goes. He's done it again, Darko Jorgic. It's his home here in Montreux. They could give him a statue for what he's achieved here. result, he gets his revenge on Chodang after losing 2